Good day, YouTube. This is Jay with Falling Forward Financial. Just wanted to bring a good update to you on Intel. They had a great day, and as you can see, it had a nice run up here. Here's kind of a look at the last week. The 1 month looks awesome. I love it, up over almost 33%. So let's take a dive and see what's going on with Intel today. As you can see, and as you follow my channel, I have made several other Intel videos. I have four shares here in this account, and some more in a different account. If you don't know what this is, you can check out my other videos as well, but this is in the design, manufacture, and sale of computer products and technologies. And so you can go ahead and pause the video there and look at the rest for yourself. Currently at a market cap of $254 billion and a dividend yield of 2.28. And I have some news about the dividend, but you can see some different articles here. Analyst ratings of 26%. But what I found out here so far, Intel reports Q4 earnings beat. And Intel surged ahead of Thursday's market close as its fourth quarter earnings report hit the wire earlier than expected. For the fourth quarter, Intel reported adjusted earnings of $1.52 per share, beating the Wall Street estimate of $1.10. Quarterly sales grew by $19.9 billion, beating the estimate of $17.5 billion. So very great news for Intel. And as you follow my channel and check out my other Intel videos, went over the information about the CEO that's going to be changing, and some other info about Intel. So go ahead and watch that and check out. There's some great information in there for you. On January 20th, Intel shares reached their highest point since the dot-com bubble. However, chip makers such as NVIDIA and AMD have become fierce competitors in the semiconductor space, with NVIDIA surpassing Intel by the market cap in the mid-2020. Intel closed the session up 6.4% at $62.46. And so very great news for Intel. Chipmaker Intel beats fourth quarter target, raises outlook, and hikes dividend. And some more great information here that I found. Late Thursday, handily beat Wall Street's targets for the fourth quarter and the guided higher for a current period. The earnings news released just before the market close drove Intel stock higher. The Santa Clara, California-based company earned an adjusted $1.52 a share on sales of $20 billion in the December quarter. Analysts expected Intel earnings of $1.10 a share on sales of $17.49 billion in the year earlier period. Intel earned $1.52 a share on sales of $20.21 billion. During the regular session Thursday, Intel stock jumped 6.5% to $62.46, and after hours trading on the stock market today, Intel stock gave back some of those gains. In recent trades, it was down 2%, near $61.20. For the current quarter, Intel expects to earn an adjusted, we already went over some of that information. You can pause it and read the rest of that for yourself. Sorry about that came up here. Chipmaker raises dividend by 5%. Here's the info that I was looking for. Intel also raised its cash dividend by 5% to $1.39 per share. On an annual basis, it declared a quarterly dividend of 34.75 cents per share, payable on March 1st to shareholders of record on February 7th. So if you want to get in on that dividend, make sure and pick it up on record on or before February 7th. We significantly exceeded our expectations for the quarter, capping off our 5th consecutive record year. And so very good information about Intel. I was happy to see these earnings come out. As you watch my other Intel videos, I've been kind of 50-50 what to do with this one, whether to sell it or not, but I'm glad I held it now and probably just continue holding it, I guess. And this kind of goes over some of the information, how it got a boost last week, and the company announced a change at the top. I already made a video about this, about the CEO, Pat Gelsinger, who previously served as Intel's Chief of Technology Officer, takes over February 15th. So we could even see a bigger increase in the price towards that day and possibly more on that date. So there's a quick chart. Feel free to pause, and just going to keep moving on here. This is just some more kind of the same information about the quarter targets, raises outlook, and hikes the dividend, which is nice to see. TipRanks currently has it still as a hold. I believe that's what it was at my last video. I'd have to go back and review to see what the analyst price target is. Right now it's 57.72. Currently that's about 7.5% on the downside of what it currently is, and a high of 80 and a low of 40. And like I showed you, currently it's at $61.09. So a very good day for Intel, and it looks like it ran up there, and I'm sure there was profit takers, and so that could be why it's coming down. But it's been kind of a weird last 2 days with the inauguration and everything, so we'll maybe blame it on that and profit taking. But anyway, that's it for Intel. I just wanted to make a quick video and give you an update, and it made me happy to see that. So, and I know there's a lot of people out there holding Intel as well as AMD. So again, this is Jay with Falling Forward Financial. If you haven't hit that like button, if you could go ahead and hit that for me. If you'd like some free stock, I have many links in the description. Feel free to help yourself there. That helps support the channel, as well as subscribing. I've had some growth here again lately, and I'm shooting for 200 subscribers by the end of the month. I'm positive we can do it. So I've hit every goal that I've set so far. So, that is it for Intel. I thank you for watching. Happy investing, happy trading, and cheers. Stay green.